Alright guys, today we're going to be doing a maintenance wash. We're going to use all these different products here, starting with the Nano Skin Non-Acid Wheel Wash, the purple bottle. Next to it, we're going to have the 3D Bug Remover. After that, we're going to have the Angel Wax Shampoo. From there, we'll move on to the Angel Wax All-in-One, followed by the Shears car care line. That's their Shield Sealant. Then we'll have Meguiar's number 40 Vinyl and Rubber Cleaner Conditioner. Then Poor Boy's Natural Look. That's something you can use for your rubber, your vinyl, your leather, your tires. Then for the glass, we'll have Griot's Foaming Glass Cleaner. And finally, we'll be using, the Adams Micro Swirl Killer for some little touch-up areas. Alright, well, this car hasn't been washed in about 3 months, and it's not in the worst condition, but it's got bugs, it's dusty, it's got some gumminess from running over gum on it, and it needs a little bit of spot polishing. Alright, let's start off cleaning the rims. They're dusty, full of brake dust and dirt. Got some grime on them. We'll use the Nano Skin Non-Acid Wheel Cleaner. I do like this product, even though it came third in my choice of wheel cleaners, and it does work very well. You just need to use agitation. Can't beat it for the price, really. So decided let's use it up and see how it does. Now on a side note, guys, this wheel cleaner from Nano Skin, if you have a foaming bottleneck or sprayer, it will foam very well. I don't have it in a bottle that's foaming right now, so you don't see the foam. But if you have that type of bottle, you'll love this product. It foams excellently, and it just does a really good job. There's a lot of ways to tackle dried on bugs. You could use a wet towel and try to lay it on them, soak them. You could foam them. I'm gonna use a bug remover that's dedicated for this purpose. Spray it on, let it soak on there. Now I'm just rinsing the vehicle, getting all the dust and everything off. Try to knock any loose debris away from the vehicle, the bigger particles. Alright, let's start with foaming the vehicle up. I'm going to be using the SPTA Air Foaming Cleaner Gun that hooks to the compressor. I've already spoken about how great this tool is. And once again, it is saving me from 105-degree heat outside. Inside the solution tank, I'm using the Angel Wax Shampoo. Now I could use Angel Wax Fast Foam as a pre-rinse type of wash, but I just wanted to go straight shampoo product. And I like the lubricity of Angel Wax Shampoo. It gave me nice foaming suds. I also have it inside my bucket that I have all my mitts in, so every time I grab a new mitt to go to the paint, I got the lubricity from the bucket, I got the lubricity from the foam. I feel very safe using this product, and it makes me very confident when working on darker colored vehicles. This one is black, as you can see. Now you're gonna see my buddy Paul pop up into the video. He's always in my way. He's a good friend of mine. He's one of the nicest guys, but constantly in my way when I'm trying to do his vehicle. Following me around, Get out of the way, Paul. Get out of the way. You're in my way. It's the same every time, but he's a good guy. And we're going to be using the Marquis Glacier 1100, one of my favorite drying towels. This big, gigantic size drying towel with hand pockets in it. It's very simple to use. Drag it along the car. It dries every panel basically with one pass. You can do 3 cars of this size with it. Love this towel. Once again, I'm utilizing the Vapor Air Blowout Gun. This thing is just so awesome. I love it so much. It does every little nook and cranny with ease, super powerful, good funneling. Can't beat this. And we're going to use Shield Sealant by Shears Car Care. This is a very easy sealant to use, no streaks. Spray it in the towel, wipe it on, get another towel, wipe it off. It's that simple, nice and slick. Give you probably about 3 or 4 months durability, guys. Of course, as I'm trying to buff the sealant off, Paul is pointing out his rock chip for the 20th time. Don't worry, Paul, I'm gonna fill it in. I'm gonna take care of it for you. Just get out of my way and let me finish working. Here I'm just working my way around the car, applying the shield sealant, trying to do it as fast as I can while I have time, while I have the space. Oh, wait a minute, there's Paul again, all up in my grill. Dude, let me work. Please, Paul, let me finish your car. And usually at this point, I find something to do for Paul, so I'll give him a product, let him do his interior, let him feel like he's helping me, he wants to do it. Let him, get him out of my way. Go for it, Paul, do your thing. This is Poor Boy's natural look. It's good for tires, rubber, vinyl, leather, all kinds of applications. I haven't shown you guys this, but if you've never tried Poor Boys, they have excellent products. This is one of them. This is probably my favorite smelling product of any detailing product that I have. Absolute best. Along with that, it makes the tires look fantastic. It also does a great job on the interior of the vehicle. It's not overly shiny. It just gives a nice, clean look to them. Check it out. Here we have Griot's Foaming Glass Cleaner, another stellar product from Griot's Garage. This works really well, goes on simply, no streaks, wipes off clean. The glass is just fantastic after using this product. I have like 10 bottles of this. Alright guys, well, if you liked the video, do me a favor, hit that subscribe, give me a thumbs up. If you have anything to say, leave it in the comments below. I appreciate you guys watching. Let me get Paul out of here.